Hi, I'm Jane Danger, the National Mixologist for Pernod Ricard, and welcome to Party Tricks with Jane. 4th of July is right around the corner, and I've got 3 tricks that'll have your guests seeing fireworks. We're going to be making ruffled pineapple leaves, watermelon flowers, and Star Spangled Glasses. For the ruffled pineapple leaves, you'll need a whole pineapple with the leaves intact, ruffled pinking shears, and a knife. We're going to start by plucking out some of the leaves, trimming off the bottoms. Take the shears and you'll go along the edge and you'll just trim them off. And work your way up again. Making a fancy little design. What's really great about these is you're using something that doesn't normally get used. It's fun and sustainable. Just like that, and lucky me, I have a cocktail here. Ooh. Ready to garnish these with. Well, there you are. And now we're going to make watermelon flowers. What you will need to make watermelon flowers is some sliced watermelon, a small flower-shaped cookie cutter, a straw, and a skewer. We'll take the thin slice, and you'll press down and give it a little twist to make sure the edges are clean, and use the straw to push it through. And just work your way around the watermelon. I have a few, and you'll take them on the side and push the skewer through. I like to do 3. It's a perfect garnish for any summer cocktail. And you can use the same technique on citrus peels. Now you'll peel them thin using a Y peeler. Press in, give them the same little wiggle, and take the straw and push it through. And there you have some orange flowers. And lastly, to make the Star Spangled Glass, you will need metallic pastry spray, edible star-shaped wafer sprinkles, and the glass of your choosing. We're going to start with a base layer on the glass of the pearl. Give it a little shake. A little dust of the gold. Now while it's still a little wet, we're going to adhere some sprinkles. And if it starts to dry too quickly on you, you can easily put on another coat. And there we have our Star Spangled Glass. Thank you so much for watching. When you make these tricks at home and share them, make sure to hashtag Party Tricks with Jane. See ya. Oh wait. Make sure to share them. Yeah, I was like counting the beats in my head and I was like, there's no words anymore. And I'm putting my hand out. See ya.